Okay, hello there. So I'm going to show you how to make a really beautiful immune booster tea, which is really good to drink over this mad COVID time. Builds up your immune system, keeps you feeling quite healthy and strong, quite refreshing, and a really beautiful tasty drink. Here's what you need. I use green tea, as you can see. I use the Clipper brand. You can use any brand you like. Here's my cup. So these are the Clipper tea bags. In goes a tea bag. And right here you can see I've got chopped up some ginger and lemon. So I take a couple of pieces of the ginger, into the cup it goes, just like that, as you can see, and a slice of lemon. Then what I do is, see I've got some regular Rouse honey. I take a little bit of Rouse honey just because the lemon can be quite sour, and you don't have to put any honey, but it just gives it a little bit of sweetness. So in I put a little bit of, about a teaspoonful, just to give it a bit more of a nice taste, so you can enjoy it a bit more. So as you can see, here's my cup. It's got the lemon, there's the ginger in the back there, and then the tea bag. And then I turn on the hot water, which I should have done already, my bad. And you'll find that this tea kind of helps you through, especially first thing in the morning, throughout the day. Here we have the kettle. And I'm going to fill it up with hot water to the top. Kettle back. And then stir with a spoon. And then what I tend to do is I let it draw for, say, 2 minutes. So I take a saucer and I stick it on the top of the cup. So I leave the cup like that to draw. Literally, maybe a minute, 2 minutes, and then it's good to go. And yeah, I've got a beautiful immune booster tea. Thanks for watching.